How to fix your request was declined on Temu. Firstly, open App Store in your iPhone device. If you are an Android user, then open Google Play Store in your device. After that, go to the search bar and type in Temu and look for updates. Look for any updates that may be available for this app. If there are updates available, then update those. If not, then that means that your app is already updated. Now go back to your home screen and locate your Temu app. Now open your Temu app and you will land to the home page. In the home page, you will see various items with different categories. You can select any product that you like from here. If you can't find the product that you're looking for, then you can even go to the search bar and type in some specific items. Now go to your home page by tapping on the U icon from the bottom panel. Now at the top right corner, you will see a setting icon, so tap on that. At the top panel, you will see three icons as account security, privacy and permission. Tap on the first one, account security, and this kind of interface will be opened. Now here tap on mobile phone number and add your number. After adding in your number, then your problem should be fixed. But if it's not fixed yet, then go to your settings in your device. Now in the settings, scroll down and tap on general. Now tap on iPhone storage from there. Then scroll down and look for the app Temu and open the app info for Temu. Now here tap on offload app and offload the app. This way your cache and data will be removed. Now restart your device and open the Temu app again. After opening it again, your problem should be fixed. I hope this video was helpful, and that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.